Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever played a mobile game, a multiplayer shooter, or even a casual puzzle game, you've probably heard about something called DAU, Daily Active Users. But what does it actually mean, and why is it so important for games? In today's video, we'll break down what DAU is, how it impacts game development, and why it's one of the most important metrics for any successful game out there. Let's start with the basics. DAU stands for Daily Active Users. In simple terms, it refers to the number of unique players who engage with your game on a given day. These players could be logging in, completing missions, playing multiplayer matches, or even just checking out the game's updates. If someone plays your game today, they count as an active user for that day. DAU is a metric that game developers keep a close eye on because it helps them understand how many people are returning to play on a daily basis. If a game has high DAU, it means that players are coming back frequently to engage with the content. And if DAU is low, it could indicate that players are not sticking around. Now, you might be wondering, why is DAU such a big deal for games? Well, it's all about engagement. Games with high DAU are usually more successful because they show that players are consistently interested in the game. A high DAU indicates a strong community and regular content consumption. For developers, keeping track of DAU helps them make decisions about new content, events, and updates. If DAU starts to drop, they can take action, maybe by offering special in-game events or rewards to get players back. For example, Fortnite constantly runs limited-time events, new seasons, and updates that keep its DAU numbers soaring. Here's something a lot of people don't realize. DAU also plays a huge role in a game's ability to make money. Many modern games, especially free-to-play ones, rely on in-game purchases and ads to generate revenue. The more players are engaged and returning daily, the more opportunities there are for developers to monetize. Take Candy Crush as an example. This game thrives on daily engagement. The more you play, the more chances you have to purchase boosters or power-ups. The game's success is tied directly to its DAU numbers. The same goes for battle royales like Fortnite, where skins, emotes, and battle passes drive revenue. Now, there's another term you might hear alongside DAU, MAU, or monthly active users. MAU measures how many unique users engage with the game over a month. So, while DAU gives us a snapshot of daily engagement, MAU gives us a bigger picture over a longer period. Let's say your game has 100,000 MAU, but only 10,000 DAU. That means a lot of people have tried the game, but only a small number are coming back to play every day. This could be a problem if you're looking to boost engagement or make money through in-app purchases. The goal is to have a good balance, strong DAU and strong MAU. So, how do developers increase DAU? Here are a few key strategies they use. 1. Daily rewards. Giving players a reason to log in every day, like daily bonuses, currency, or exclusive items, helps keep DAU high. 2. Daily challenges and events. Games like Fortnite and PUBG keep players coming back with daily challenges or time-limited events. These not only engage players but also keep them excited about new content. 3. Push notifications. Sending reminders or notifications about new content or challenges can nudge players to open the game and play. 4. Social features. Multiplayer games with social features, like Among Us or League of Legends, encourage players to log in daily to play with friends or join events. So let's look at a few examples of games that have incredibly high DAU numbers. Fortnite regularly boasts tens of millions of DAU. Epic Games keeps its player base engaged with seasonal updates, limited-time game modes, and major events like live concerts within the game. It's an experience that keeps players logging in day after day. Candy Crush uses daily rewards and time-limited levels to keep its players addicted. The game constantly releases new levels and challenges, which ensures players stay engaged long-term. So, there you have it. DAU is an essential metric that game developers track to measure engagement, plan content updates, and even optimize monetization strategies. As a player, understanding DAU can help you see what's keeping your favorite games alive and thriving. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more gaming content, and let me know in the comments, what game do you think has the best daily engagement? And how do you keep coming back for more? I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.